Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Assalamu alaikum, viewers. How are you? Welcome to our this series of videos in which we are showing you over this automation. It's a tool which allows you to do plenty of automation in with respect to the SAP GUI scripting and VBA. And with a click of button, you can log on to SAP. You don't need to perform all the sequence of the steps which are normally required by the user manually. So it performs everything and it starts with a login. And when you log on, then you choose a module, whatever the module you choose, then it uh, comes up with certain, say, uh, means modules. And when the modules are selected, then you have a description. Yeah, you can have a description, for example, like this, and then you can have all these parameters, right? So in the FI module, you have this, and in the of FI module, you can then choose your desired report. And so this is how it is done. Now, how these this drop down, which is the starting drop down here, how does it get updated, right? So it is updated automatically. It is updated as soon as it is looking on the index, right? Any new entry, as soon as you enter anywhere, so your first thing you enter is the module. For example, you have entirely a new module, say new SAP module, for example, which you are first time doing. So you don't. So as soon as you enter an entry, say ABC, yes, okay, whatever you do here, and then when you go to the start, it you will see that that is available. No? This entry is available as soon as. So there is a VBA code which is working that makes sure that this drop down is updated. Right? And if you remove, also if you remove uh, any entry, yeah, and now there is no SCN, right? So when you go to back to this, you will see that the SCN, the supply chain module, is no longer exist, right? So how does it happen? Actually, um, it is using a range name. Uh, a range is named as a module. If you click on here, so it is taking you to this range. It is in the K column, starting from the row 2 until here, right? So this is the list of module which is dynamically updated. Once it is updated, the drop down is updated automatically, because in the drop down we have mentioned in here, when you create a drop down, you go to the data and you click in here. So this is the list, and it is the source of this list is the modules, right? This is the name of the module range that is being referred to it, and whatever it are the contents, they become the contents of this uh, drop down, right? So how this happens is, let's start with that. We go to the sheets view code. Yeah, we do go to the view code option. We right click in here, right click on the name of the sheet, and you will find this such a menu. And in the view code, you have the activate event. This is the worksheet activate. Worksheet activate event. It does these short sequence of code. These are the things. Okay? So first of all, it mm, mm, makes the formula bar um, available, and the next is it removes any extra modules from the drop down if there is any requirement, right? And and then it updates them any new modules as well. So these are the two lines. So what are these? Remove extra module. This is the remove. It is actually passing the control to here, and it is of course followed by a command that is called return. So it is performing it and then returning. Returning where? From where it came. It came from here, right? So this is the way it has removed any extra entry if there is in the module drop down, right? The next it does update the modules. Now it goes and updates any if it sees any new module which is not as a part of the module range. So that is being written in the bottom of the list. And in the end, the list is refreshed and the range name is created. And this is how the code is working. So this makes sure that your starting point, that is the modules. The modules are uh, rightly entered, uh, and uh, and if you want to add a new module, let's add some new module, say Arabia. SAP Arabia is nowadays very popular, right? So let's say Arabia. Mm, Arabia. Okay, for just you can name anything, sir. Okay, so say this is a new module which you have entered. You have entered the description, a T code, etc., etc. And when you get back to the start, it refreshes the module, and you will see the Arabian there. Right? And when you remove it from the index, so it gets updated. It is also removed from the drop down as soon as you go through. So it's a nice thing. I hope you like this concept. I wanted to share this concept and the code for the people who are loving to write, who are interested to learning of the VBA code. So this is how we do the automation. Okay. So with the bits and pieces, I will be showing you a different short sets of this algorithm which we use to develop such a tool, right? I hope you enjoyed it. See you in our next video.